talk to you right now, I'm just about to put this cake in the car. And I have to get Lani to help me. And I hear my come with me too, so. Alright, wait a bit. Alright, baby. Alright, bye.
I don't know how you was going to do it if I was in your hand.
Well, I'm going to lift it up myself.
Then turn right.
Hurry up and drive, man.
Look, don't rush me. I bust the bus. The only thing I don't like about this whole summer period, man, hectic dealing with these cakes and keeping them at the right temperature to make sure it arrives to where it needs to be in one piece.
Destination is on your right. Arrived.
Okay. I'm asking you because I'm delivery. Where's the white part?
In person, but you can't park there.
I know, I'm asking you.
Okay. You can deliver in person, that's fine.
I know it's a big cake, but I need to be able to transport it somewhere.
Yeah, you can park over there and then walk it over.
It's fine.
We've turned down people with huge slabs of marble. We can't let anybody park through here, okay?
Can I get a trolley from there then?
You can get a trolley, yeah, that's absolutely
okay,
fine.
Thank you. That's all I
But
need.
park over there first and then that, okay? Thank you.
Can you open the door downstairs, please?
Yeah, I'm just keeping it inside the fridge straight here.
That'll be fine.
You'll be fine, yeah?
It's all good. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, love. Thanks a lot, yeah? Take care.